Hi, my name's John Singleton. I'm the owner of this firm, and I'm here to give you some tips on labor and employment law. By far, the biggest question we get in phone calls is whether or not the employer violated the law by terminating someone's employment. For the most part, people in Maryland are called employees at will, meaning they serve at the will of their employer. The employer can terminate that person for good reason, bad reason, or no reason at all. For example, someone said, "John, I don't like the color of your shoes." And you say, "You're fired." Is that against the law? No, it's not. Because the employer can terminate you for any reason. Now, there are exceptions to this doctrine. One of the exceptions is people who actually have contracts of employment for a specific period of time. Some teachers have contracts where they make a contract for a particular school year. Members of unions are covered by collective bargaining agreements. And some very lucky professionals may have employment contracts. But by and large, most people don't. Most people never sign a contract and wouldn't think of doing that. Are there other exceptions? Yes. Those that are specifically prohibited by law. So the Title VII of the Civil Rights Act says you can't terminate someone for their race, sex, religion, national origin, mental, physical handicap. The Age Discrimination Employment Act says you can't terminate someone because of their age. So there are exceptions built into the law. And the final thing is something called wrongful discharge. Those are those terminations where it violates some clearly enunciated public policy. Most of these people are, for the most part, whistleblowers, where they have complaining about something that might be unlawful, and it would violate the law, or at least the policy, to allow that employer to terminate the person because they basically blew the whistle on that employer. There are other types of wrongful discharges where it violates some clearly enunciated public policy. So, for example, one more is workers' compensation. A person can't be terminated for filing a workers' compensation claim. And that's true of a lot of other laws where an employee can't be terminated for complaining about their rights or asking about those things. So if you've been terminated and you think you fit into those criteria, give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out. Thanks a lot.